everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fiercy here. So today I'm going to be doing a lollipop look. I have already prepped my skin and applied my foundation and concealer. I want to do a simple cut crease for the eyes. I used brown as a transition shade. Now I'm using my concealer to cut the crease. I'm going to be using three major colors for this look: green, purple, and a bright red, if that's what that is. So recall I'm doing a lollipop look. I wanted to design the eye in such a way that it will seem as a wrapper, like a candy wrapper or a sweet wrapper. That is what I had in mind for this look. So tell me what you think. Did I execute that idea? I used my white eyeliner to give a subtle highlight to make the look fun. So what do you think? If you have watched up to this point, please comment lollipop in the comment section. So I applied concealer on my brow gel cover and placed it on my face to get that perfect circle. I then used the three colors on my eyes for the circle. So this is how it's looking. Then I drew a white straight line to represent the lollipop stick. Yeah, I had fun doing this. I used my white liner for some highlights and decided to draw a star for some reason. Sparkles, not star, sparkles. So this is what we're working with. I liked how it turned out. I did my lashes off camera and then proceeded to do nude lips. And this is the outcome. So what do you think? Personally, I was just having fun. I loved how this turned out. I'll wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.